everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and today is Tuesday, which means it is a Tiny Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I'll have her channel linked down below in the description box, along with the playlist where other content creators come together every Tuesday to give you cleaning motivation that is small to help you get that to-do list done. One small task at a time helps make the biggest difference. So this is a Vlogmas day 5. I wasn't planning on doing a video for today for Tiny Tuesday because I had another collab that I was in, but I have to steam up my floors. And I thought I'm gonna go ahead and film it for you and have a bonus video for you for Vlogmas day 5. So on this day as well, I will have what is in my kids' Christmas stocking going up, so you can stay tuned for that. So you're getting 2 videos for Vlogmas day 5. Just because I'm doing this task, I'm gonna get it quickly edited and we're gonna do the things. So I'm gonna show you the messes on the floor. Steam mopping or mopping is something that I don't always get to, that I should get to, but I don't get to it because there's so many other tasks to do, keeping up with my 4 kids, homeschooling, and all of the things. So we're gonna get it done now. Okay. So the messes on the floor have been piling up. This is some yogurt and some sand mixed in with whatever. It's not too bad everywhere, but it definitely needs a good mop. That is like the problem spot where my kids eat. But we're gonna give it a good wipe down for sure. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me here on my channel where I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. Definitely hit that subscribe button and join us because I have lots more Christmas content coming your way throughout December. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist linked down below in the description box for more cleaning motivation for your week. Bye for now.